Hello guys, welcome back to my another money making video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make money with ChatGPT and Clickbank. ChatGPT is brand new AI bot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. And if you are affiliate marketer, then you will be very familiar with Clickbank. If you don't know about Clickbank, it's a very famous affiliate marketing platform. It's allow you to promote another company's product and helps you to make good cash. So, the first step is to decide what kind of niche or industry you want to work in. Or, I would strongly suggest that you choose a field that you already know something about. For example, it could be about how to make money online, stock market and spirituality, health and fitness, and so on. So you can choose any of them and find a product on Clickbank that fits your needs. So that was the first thing we did. Now was the next step. So the next step is to choose a product. And to choose a product, you have to go to Clickbank. Firstly, I want to show you my daily earnings, and as you can see, I am making good amount of money on daily basis with the help of ChatGPT. You also can make money online like me. If this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. It motivate me make high quality content of you. And please leave a comment on which kind of topic you want to see in my next video. So let's continue the video. Now I'll click on the affiliate marketplace to choose a product for my niche. Now, on the left of the screen, click on all so they can see the different categories of products, or you can say niches. And I'm sure that you can find many products in whichever niche you have chosen. You can see business and investing categories, computer and internet categories. Now you can also see health products. And if you scroll down, then you will find a spiritual categories as well. Now if you hover over health and fitness, you will see the subcategories, and from the subcategories I will click on diet and weight loss. After clicking there, all the products are browsed below. Before you choose any product, see the gravity score and the commission of that particular product. The gravity score shows the performance of the particular product. So always choose a product that has a gravity score of at least 40 or higher than that, and it pays a commission of at least $100. Now from there I will choose this product Slim Crystal as a gravity score is 79, which is more than 40, and its average commission is more than $100. You can also find products which gives more commission than these. I have chosen this just to showcase you. Now you can check out the affiliate page if you want to learn more about the product like commission structure. And if you need the promotional materials like images, videos, ebooks, etc. Now to grab the affiliate link of the product, click on the promote button. A pop-up will appear, and from here you will create your affiliate link. Now enter your nickname. For example, I will enter my nickname and then click on hop link, and the tracking code is actually optional. Okay, you don't need that. Now your affiliate link is created. Once your affiliate link is created, then you can shorten your link with any link shortened like bit.ly. Or you can use a landing page to make your users land on your landing page, and you can write your own message on the landing page to convert them in your own way. Now let us move toward third step, which is go to Quora.com. So once you open the Quora, next click on the search bar of Quora and type your question related to your niche. For example, I will type your lose weight. Now from there I will select this question. How can I lose weight? So the next step is to click on the answer to write the answer for the questions. Now here is the most important step, copy the question. And now switch to your ChatGPT account. Now if you don't have any ChatGPT account, then you can create one. And it's very easy to create with your Google account. Now paste your question on the chat bar of ChatGPT, and after you're done, now press enter. Now you can see it started generating the answer for this question. How can I lose weight? And as you can see, within few minutes it's generated answer. Here are the few tips that may help you to lose weight. Number 1. Eat a healthy, balanced diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Number 2, so on. Now, before you copy and paste this answer on your Quora answer box, make sure to paraphrase this generated answer, because it is generated through artificial intelligence, and Quora is so intelligent that it can detect this generated through artificial intelligence. To overcome this type of restriction, you should use a paraphrase tool like Quillbolt. Now go to quillbolt.com and paste the answer from ChatGPT. So, after it's opened, you may paste it into the box you see to the right. Now, click on paraphrase and wait a few seconds. As you can see, it replaced some phrases and words with their synonyms. Now you can safely copy this answer and paste it on the Quora answer box. Now read it carefully and check if there anything needed to be correct. Now if you want to add any image, then you can add image by clicking here. Once you added the image, now click on the post to publish your answer. Now I want to give you a warning. Don't just copy and paste this AI-generated text in Quora answers, because there is a probability that your account may get shadow banned. So to avoid it, you need to paraphrase the answers. Okay. and make sure that your answer is actually not published before. Don't just copy and paste your answer. Now what is the final step? So the final step is to optimize your core profile. Edit your profile bio and show them your expertise. Write that how you are helping your dream customers. Your dream customer could be overweight guy who wants to lose weight, or could be a guy who wants to achieve financial freedom. And it completely depending on your niche. Make sure to put your affiliate link or link to your landing page on your profile. You can also take help of ChatGPT to generate your buyers so that it can be more attractive to your dream customers. Make sure to answer 3 to 4 questions daily and stay consistent. SCORRA will definitely boost your profile, and you will build authority, and you will definitely generate traffic as well as revenue. That's all for today. If you find this video valuable, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to make more money with affiliate marketing, watch this video that help you make $15,000 every day with the help of YouTube Shorts.